Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. During a driving test, whenever you move up from the stationary position, first thing you must have to give your signal at least for 5 seconds. Give your right signal for 5 seconds, then check your mirrors and head check. If all clear, then move off. So just remember, do not rush from the stationary position. Whenever you leave, first thing you need to give a signal, check the mirrors. Check the central mirror. It will show you around 80% of the road if any car coming behind you. Then check the right mirror and do your shoulder check. Because whenever you leave from the stationary position, your car is on 0 speed and other cars coming for 50 or 60 speed. So if you're leaving from the stationary position and if car close to you, they have to press the brake and they can blow the horn. So it means you didn't give the giveaway. Because you on the 0 position and who already moving car, they have a first right. So your testing officer will must check with the small mirror whenever you leave from stationary position. So it is very, very important. So I'll show you how we do. So I'm on the side of parking. So normally it happens whenever you leave your parking, whenever you finish your reverse parallel parking, or whenever you done your pull over after the stage 1, when they ask you to do pull over your car and they calculate your score. After that, say, okay, move off now to stage 2. So these are the time you must have to perform this task. Signal, mirrors, head check. If clear, then you move off. So do not rush. Okay. So I give my right signal and change my gear. And I'll check the center mirror. Now there is a car coming, so I have to wait. Now no one is coming. Check, check, head check. And move. It is very important to check others because you from the 0. So I hope you learn how to move up from the stationary position. It is very important. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful video.